So here we have our wireframes. These are not all of them, but the most important ones in deciding our app flow and user experience. We printed these out and asked some potential users to play through our app as we simulated the computer. We figured that paper prototyping would give us the fastest indication of which direction to go for our UI. Here's our first attempt. We implemented buttons at the bottom of the screens here to switch between pages. We also used the user icon in the top right as a toggle for the settings. On our second attempt, we take a similar approach. However, in this one, we have a page for public posts and a private wall where followers can post things only you can see. While both of these ideas seemed intuitive at first, users much preferred a hamburger dropdown with the settings included. They also found the two separate walls to be a bit confusing and unnecessary, as one could just use a messenger or chat service. This is our final prototype that users had the most positive response to. Here we have the drop-down leading to the pages including a chat service. Users also like the idea of including your posts on your profile page to view and edit. Lastly, out of the three color schemes we had, users found the orange and gray to be the most appealing, as in the previous examples, the green could be sort of harsh to the eyes.
Alright, so we decided that hosting all our documentation on our GitHub repo in the wiki was the best idea because it would be the most accessible to any future groups that take over our code base. Here on the home page we have an overview of what the project is. Under that we have a section containing all of the project requirements that we've gathered through meeting with the stakeholder. If you click on any of these links, you're taken to a page that explains exactly how we are meeting that particular requirement. Under that we have all of our project features that we're currently working on. Again, clicking on any of these links will take you to a page that explains more in depth about that particular feature. And these are of course being updated and added to as the project goes along and more features are being implemented. The final section on the home page gives more information, so we have a link to a page that gives an overview on who the team is, our development pipeline, and then this link takes you to a blog that contains snippets about what we've been working on and what we're currently working on.
In terms of security, Peterbook employs robust envelope encryption in conjunction with a powerful key management system. By default, at the storage layer, the Google Cloud Platform encrypts customer content stored at rest using envelope encryption. All data, including its metadata, are encrypted using the Advanced Encryption Standard. This is done in conjunction with the use of Google's key management service. In envelope encryption, a symmetric key is used to sign the data, and another key is used to encrypt the secret to produce the encrypted secret key. The encrypted messages are packaged with the encrypted secret key and sent to the client, which are then decrypted to get the secret key, which is in turn used to decrypt the message. These policies are further governed by the storage rules that we have granular control over. This will scale well with any potential security policy updates that we may have in the future.
Hi, this is our Jenkins hosted on Google Cloud. This is the profile of the development integration. It finishes build and deployed to the test environment and ensure there's no problem. And this will be the final environment. This is the test environment. Besides, we use Sentry as our monitoring service. You can see the details of errors here, so we can track the source of error, and these are the unresolved issues which can be seen out here.
We're going to the backend. As you can see, the login with the email that is now registered won't let us because in Firebase authentication it was not there. So go ahead and create an account. So fill in the full name, email, and the same passwords. We'll jump to the page called email verification. So we'll get the email to verify our account. And click on the link. It shows our email is verified. So check the Firebase console. And right now, the email's here. So go ahead and log in with the same email. And works.
And great, now I'm on the Peterbook. So as you can see, I can see all the posts right now, posts I've done, posts my friends have done. I can make a new post. So this is a test. I'm posting that. Great, just got here. Oh, and I see my friend Hello World has posted a picture of his puppy, so I'm going to give that a like. I'm going to comment on it. Now, as soon as I post that comment, I can actually edit my comment if I'd like. So I'm going to edit it and write cute puppy. Now, if I'm really not feeling it, I can actually delete my comment, and the comment's deleted forever. Now, also on Peterbook, we can check our notifications. Right now, there are no notifications, so that's great. Now I'm going to go to the hamburger menu and go to people. So I'm going to find some friends that I have not followed yet. So I'm going to follow my friend Oscar Check. And now I'm going to go to my own profile so I can see my previous posts. I have this little photo right now of just my garden. I'm going to go back to home. Now, the great thing about Peterbook is that we're also very concerned about your security off of our servers. So if we detect that you have not been on Peterbook for a certain amount of time, then we're actually going to auto log you out. Now, right now, it's just an idle counter for if there's no activity in 10 seconds, then Peterbook will automatically log you out, as you can see. But in the future, we'll have a modal that will warn you that your session is going to expire so nobody's caught by surprise.